heading in Home Depot. They got the plants first starting up. Alright, let's go see if they got the wooden whiskey barrels. They call them extra large. There they are, right here. 1, 2, 3. That's all I need. 3. I put this on the cart round. It's gonna fall, as you can see. So we got our stuff. And I'm gonna hand hold it till I get the right cart. Alright, we got what we needed. Let's get going. Off we go. Yes indeed. 3 barrels. 2 dirt.
That I go on, she said today, she says Lowe's has the whiskey barrels. They're coming out for spring, but they're resin. I look.
Open that for you, $3.45 a gallon. They're cheap.
It's going up.
$5 by summertime.
Oh, definitely. This wood.
Alright, I did something wrong. My hands made a rub division dock, causing the Pro to go on and change the exposure to manual. That's what happens when you first use your camera for the first time. But I've been using the Osmo Nano for a long time. I do want to tell you this. The Extra Muse don't have H.264 for all, just some. And it may be H-Log, things like that. Think about that one. I like going H.264. It speeds up the transfer speed to the computer and a little easier to edit with for me on older machines. Speaking about HEVC, we don't have high bit rate on it. But on this camera, the Ado, we do got high bit rate, but we're stuck fully on HEVC. So imagine you do 10-bit D-Log, X-Log. Are you actually doing H.264? New car. More like a transportation area that they dropped off to take somewhere. That's what happens here. They use spots to leave cars and take somewhere else. I got a problem. Again. I hear the click, and I'm like on photo. Why am I on photo, Fish? I didn't touch anything. Is the screen sensitive? Do I gotta pay attention to the camera? I was on the bicycle, and the next shot, I hit the side button, and I got no video. So, if I got a problem, it may be you. I would say, if I was going to hit the shutter button, I hear just a high-pitched click, and that tells me I was on photo. So now it's on video, and I hear the audible. But the audible is not like an ordinary camera. They're fast. That's it. You know, don't want to bring attention to these cameras, but it is what it is, man. So I'm shooting sample shots, no microphone, and gives you an idea once again how it is. And you're with the Fish on a wonderful day with noise reduction on low, I believe. I don't have a mic, and I'm on Pro, most likely. You're not going to get that shot, but you see that's Delta. Spring break, baby. Spring break. I'm able to stick this on a pole, but not the actual frame. Let me see if I could get this little reflection into you. Now, there we go. I'm not going to do that. It's my glasses, Fish. These right here give you a little reflection, right? And not everything. These rafters, they're called, that you sit on, aluminum. You can stick it to a metal fence, and you can sit here and press the button. If this had a microphone built in wirelessly when you don't attach it, that would have been awesome. I am going to go do. I don't got my mic today. I'm going to walk all the way down there. I'm going to count paces. This is 2. I went all the way over there, 100 paces. How many paces is 100? 200 feet. Wow. Well, I hope you enjoyed the show, me vlogging with the Extra 8.0. I showed a lot of things, different things. I went to Home Depot. I got myself prepared for the springtime and changing out my flower barrels. Oh yeah, I gotta get them changed. Maybe I'll put a Rose and Sharon in the back of the house and more. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, everybody.